what did you do this time?
Oh, great. Let me guess. I left the bathroom door open. I forgot to put
How old are you on Wednesday?
11.
Oh, she's 10
Close your
today,
eyes.
but tomorrow she will be 11.
Open your eyes. So, remember the other day when I was asking you what,
Okay, now you gotta hold it.
You gotta move the box
Turn
all the
it-
way. Turn it around.
turn
so
it
you
on for
get
just a
picture.
second for a picture. Do you remember the other day whenever I was asking you to look on there and make sure that we picked the right one for Sarah's birthday?
Yeah!
And I was like, are you sure that's not the one Sarah wants? And you're
you
like,
said-
no, that's the one I want. That was why I did that. I never lied and said you weren't getting it, but I was
No.
making sure you got the right one.
You're, I love them both. American Girl just does wonderful things with dolls.
Look.
They really do.
You each have one now.
Wait, does that mean Sarah just now went downstairs with her Willa doll?
No, she's in the bathroom. Sarah, you can come out now.
Sarah?
Yeah, don't leave her in there.
Can we
Sarah!
get this open?
Sure, go ahead. Careful.
Little booklet. I want the doll.
Easy. Pull gently.
Oh, she's pretty.
Is your sandwich good? Evelyn Miller made me several sandwiches, especially out on the lake when we were on South Holston Lake. And what I like to say about sandwiches...
Yeah, see, they don't have to use plastic anymore because it's more harmful to the environment. Yes, you can go get Camille. Sure.
Oh, I forgot to bring Molly up here.
It's okay. Here, pull her out. Pull her gently. Okay, and then hold on. You pull on the back, it undoes the rubber bands. And then you just slide the rubber bands off her feet. There you go. And then just take this plastic part off her neck.
Where's your sister? She's still resting?
Turn her around. You want to turn her around?
Oh, her hair's longer. It just holds it that way.
Cool.
Should I pull it out?
No, it's okay. Just leave it that way for now.
But do you think I should?
It's okay. Just turn her around. What do you think?
I think I want to cuddle her.
Yours is Emerson.
Hers is Willa. And then hers is Camille.
Do you like her?